So I'm filming on a phone because I'm not that good at technology, even though I made this. Um, so this is I guess a marble launcher. So I designed it. Um, it took a few hours, but you can see as the trigger rotates, this slides down, and I'm gonna add a something. Let's have it 0. Okay, I'm gonna have it so it is. I'm gonna have something that hooks on right here, and that forces the. I'm gonna have an opening diagonally right here, so as the sliding pin wants to move forward, it'll actually jam it up, and as I push it down, it'll release. So how does this work? Well, let's go to the barrel and the handle. So this is the barrel. It's kind of simple. It's not that simple. So there's a little piece that sticks out right here, and that goes into the handle. This is just the opening for that, and this is also a piece of the trigger. So then we have the handle. It's got a hole for the barrel piece and also a area for to put the linchpin in, and that linchpin will actually hold it together. Or let's go to the assembly. So this pin will actually hold it in place, and I designed the handle with a flat back to reduce the amount of what's it called supports I need. So then part Studio 4, which is the actual trigger part. Oh wait, no, it isn't. Yeah, the actual trigger part. So this is just fairly simple. It's a trigger, and as you pull it forward, this part moves down. It's not that good because I have to redesign it so it fits in and I can actually put it into the piece, but we shall see. Alright, so these pieces actually go into the holes on the barrel. So you can see how right here, this is one of those pieces. And it basically acts as something that can rotate along the cylinder right here. So it allows the this piece to move up and down through it, and it also rotates, which allows for this movement. Because if I had it just there and not able to rotate, it wouldn't work. I would have to break it to move it. Okay, so, and then the last part, this. So this is kind of simple. This piece right here fits into a one of the holes in this right here, like this. And it's actually what slides up and down. So the way that this is going to actually stay in is because it has a piece that goes up into this. And funny thing, this piece actually prevents the projectile from going forward or falling out of the gun if I point it downwards, which was a problem with something else that I made. The marble would just fall out if I held it downwards. So that's a little bit of engineering. I'm gonna have to add a way for I'm gonna have to add a piece that goes diagonally forward. So as the projectile goes up, this will actually move down instead of being a barrier, so it can't go forward, and I have to pull the trigger back to load it. So I want it to be like pull back, load, fire, pull back, load, fire. And how I'm gonna do that is right here. This is actually a great spot because I can attach a hook right here and a hook right here, and have put a rubber band between this, so this gets jammed up, or this gets pulled up, and it just self reloads. No springs needed. Although if I had springs, I could probably make this in like 50 less parts. But anyway, fairly simple. This rotates around. This goes through the piece that sticks up and allows for rotation along the cylinder, and this goes up into the barrel to prevent it from going forward. So again, bringing it back to the trigger and rotate. And again, this is not complete. Set it to 0, 0. Okay. I'm gonna have something that comes out this way and hooks it down and goes downward vertically, or what's it called? I don't know. It goes downward and forward at the same time, so it jams, so it wants to go up because it's moving, because it wants to go forward as well. Hopefully that this is strong enough, because let's see. Let's see how long this is. Inch. So from this to this, it is about 7 inches. So this is my hand. My hand is like 4 inches. This to this will probably be about 5 inches. So it'll fit nicely into my hand. So hopefully it'll work. So I can hold it with one hand and then with the other hand pull back, shoot, load it. And actually, I could add a magazine on the top. Oh yeah, I forgot about the top part. So I'm gonna add a sights right here, so you can see that you can just, oh god, you can see that you can just slide something down into here, and then slide it back along this, so I can create mini sights. Not mini sights, but small sights. It's kind of looking like a pirate's pistol right now. I like it.